EKCOLAB Analytics. Advancing community resilience through automatic data analytics and insights.
This is the application. So now let's go. Now you can click here and then you can delete. So you can click on delete, it's going to delete it. Okay, so or let's just go to the application section. I think I can have here from my app section. I can be able to search. I'm going to have applications here. Apps. No, it's for Microsoft Install. Applications. This is it. So it's under applications. Can you see the logo? EKCOLAB Analytics. It's installed on my computer. So if I click here, it can open it. But I don't want to open it. So I want to just go and uninstall it. Probably. So you guys can see for yourself. So guys, like you see, I just click and you can see I can uninstall. This is an app, right? So we can see this is an app. So I'll uninstall it and then we go back to see how to install it and it's going to come back here. Yeah. So uninstall. So I have the different apps here. So this is EKCOLAB Analytics, version 1. So I'm going to just click here. I think you guys need to see it full. So these are various apps here, and you can see EKCOLAB Analytics is one of the apps inside my computer, right? So I'm just going to uninstall. Click uninstall. This app is related to info uninstall. Uninstall. So they'll ask you uninstall app and so on, with the app data, confirm and so on, blah, blah, blah. So I'm gonna uninstall it. Yeah, it's gone. Finally, it's gone. Okay, guys. Now I'm gonna go to my browser, Google Chrome. Okay, so on the browser now, I have this. I'm gonna reload it. Now everything is being reloaded because I have the account I created or stuff like that. It needs to be from the browser level. And now how you're going to install the application to be like a desktop application, not working on like inside your browser. So you have to have your the link that is without logging in. And then you have, of course, like it should be like this without having anything like showing accounts. You have the login and the sign up. So what you're going to do is you're going to have this little icon here that will appear on your browser. You see, this little icon means to install it. This is what it means, this little icon. So if I click there or if I hover over this icon, you can see some install EKCOLAB Analytics, right? So we can see that. And if I click on install, it's going to ask me install this app, right? So I'm going to click on install. Now, automatically, it has been installed like an app. It's with just one click. It's now like any other desktop app you have in your computer or working inside your computer.
EKCOLAB Analytics. Advancing community resilience through automatic data analytics and insights.